In front of me is TECNO Pop 8, and today I would like to show you how you can clone app. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access special function. Then click on App Twin and tap on gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on No Blue Sweater. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!